So I'm about to replace the stock air filter with this K&N performance intake filter. Paid $51 at AutoZone. So yeah, here it is. Here's all the good shit. Okay, came with a K&N sticker. But here's the product. Man, packaged real nice. Oh yeah, that's definitely high quality right there. Doesn't seem cheap or nothing. Man, that's nice. I recommend paying $51 and buying a K&N brand instead of a cheap brand. Because, man, I bought some cheap ones before. This is like 100 times better. But here, I got a T20 Torx screw. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 screws all total here. So I'm gonna start off by removing it. You really don't need to remove it all the way, just halfway. And this doesn't take long. Pretty easy to do. I prefer the stock intake because with the open intake, when you got the hood closed, it draws all that hot air in, versus this enclosed intake box. Then all the air comes from this front grill right here. You guys heard the air, the intake system. So you're actually drawing cooler air instead of drawing engine heat. Plus, I'm cheap. All right. So once you got that, make sure the screws are out. This one back here is being stubborn. Now it's out. So yeah. Wow, look at this. So look, this is what my car came with. Look at all that fucking dust. We don't need that shit. Just toss that bitch like that. Get your new K&N filter. Just drop it in. It's pretty easy installation. So it's a perfect fit. Make sure it's in there. Then all you do is line it back up and screw it back in. And that's it. You don't want to strip these, so make sure screws are aligned. Like I said, you ain't gotta take the screws all the way out, just like halfway or 3/4 of the way. And then come out. So when I bought this car, it didn't show any air filter that was replaced. So this is the reason why I'm doing it. You don't want to over tighten this because it's plastic. Alright guys, I'm gonna start it up.